Hello everyone, welcome to my home once again. Me Chef Debjit will be sharing our recipe with all of you today. And today I'm going to make a Bengali chicken stew. We call it chickener jhol or mansher jhol. And here what we do, we just marinate everything and put it on the flame. No need to worry about anything. Your chicken preparation or the chicken stew, mansher jhol, whatever you call, will be ready. মেখে ঝুঁকে বসিয়ে দাও means put everything, marinate nicely, put it on the flame. This is what we say. So till now, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do it to inspire me more and more, and you get a notification when I upload a new video. So let's see how to make মেখে ঝুঁকে বসিয়ে দাও chicken preparation.
For that I need a kilo of chicken which is cut with bone, 2 big size onion finely sliced, 6 pieces of peeled potatoes,
3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste,
5 pieces of small onion which is peeled, 10 cloves of peeled garlic, 4 whole green chilies. In whole spices I need 2 bay leaves, 1 dried red chili, 3 sticks of cinnamon sticks, 1 black cardamom, 9 green cardamom and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. In the dry powdered spices I need 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, red chili powder as per your taste bud, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Two medium size tomatoes which is chopped. Chopped tomatoes are ready. Now cut the potatoes into half and from the top part cut like a cross as I am cutting, so that this chicken gravy can go inside and this potato will be really flavorful and soft. We will use mustard oil for cooking, some salt to taste, and we will be using boiling water for cooking. So let's start cooking. Now we will marinate the chicken. Put ginger garlic paste, onion, tomatoes, all the dry spices powder, salt to taste, whole onion, green chilies, peeled garlic, all the potatoes, mustard oil, this gives nice flavor, whole spices, and now need to give a nice massage. I'll just do it for at least 5-10 minutes and keep it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, put it on the high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, put hot water so that it is nicely covered. Then cover the pot and put it on the slow flame. Cook it for next 20 to 25 minutes. So best part of this chicken is now I can do my rest of the work which is left. No need to worry about it till the time there is water. So we'll see you after exactly 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, going to open the pot. Let's see it. Wow, it is smelling really delicious. Now we'll taste the salt. Yes, it is just perfect. Have to check the potatoes whether it is cooked or not. It is breaking and you can see it is like butter. So that means all the potatoes are cooked. It is really nice. Now I'll just cover it, switch off the gas and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. After that I'll serve. Here we go with some potato, chicken, onion. That's it, what you need. Now just serve it with some hot steamed rice. Your dinner or lunch is perfectly set. My nephew Shubhajit is going to taste and tell how it is. How it is? Good? So thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Happy cooking.